Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest KT LED Headlight Assembly with White Angel Eye DRL. Item number 1. KT LED Headlight Assembly for BMW G310R G310 GS 2017 Plus for BMW Headlight Assembly G310R G310 GS 2017 Plus E-Mark approved E-Mark certification 300% brighter white LED DRL easy installation. Directly replace MPN 63,128,546,522 brand name, KT item type, headlight assembly wattage, 35 warranty, 1-year condition, new manufacture part number, 63128546522 certification, E-Mark certification. Item number 2, Headlight Assembly with White Angel Eye DRL for K-Awasaki X300 type LED headlights function DRL plus high, low beam voltage: 12V material aluminum plus PC plastic color black inner bezel lens hard-coated lens weight, 1.5 kilograms. These aftermarket headlights were manufactured as an affordable replacement for the original headlight easy installation within 5-15 minutes. Directly replace original headlight. Item number 3, KT LED Headlight for Suzuki GSX 650F 2008 to 2009 for Suzuki GSX 650F Headlight Assembly 2008 to 2009 300% brighter dual HID low beams with dual HID high beams easy installation. Directly replace MPN 35141 G01999 brand name. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.